Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa verde for tacos. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh tomatillos, husked and rinsed thoroughly. For a nice kick, grab 1 or 2 serrano peppers, depending on how much heat you prefer. Don't forget half a white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a generous handful of fresh cilantro. Finally, have a 1/4 cup of water, some salt, and a little oil on hand. Now, let's bring out those amazing flavors through roasting. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your husked tomatillos, serrano peppers, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic on a baking sheet. Roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are softened and have a slight char. This crucial step truly enhances the depth and complexity of your salsa verde, making it incredibly flavorful for your tacos. Next, it's time to blend everything into that vibrant salsa verde. Carefully transfer all your beautifully roasted vegetables into a blender. Add the fresh cilantro, about a 1/4 cup of water, and a good pinch of salt to start. Blend the mixture until it reaches your preferred consistency. Some like it smooth, others a bit chunky. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt if necessary, to ensure it's perfectly balanced. To finish, you can take your salsa to the next level with a quick simmer. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat, then pour in your blended salsa. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, which helps the flavors meld wonderfully. Serve your incredible homemade salsa verde warm or chilled. It's perfect for any taco night. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.